So today we've got a Bentley Continental with some exhaust damage. Josh is just driving them in. You can see the tips are misaligned. The one on the right hand side has got quite a lot of damage. It's actually hitting into the diffuser. So we're going to get them up in the air and figure out what's what. The customer's been quite a lot of money from Bentley, so we're going to be helping out with more cost efficient repair. Go on, give it some beans, Josh. So the story on this one is the customer, what did he actually hit? Do you know? Was it like a pothole or something on the road?
No idea.
Something in the road.
It's got a big impact mark there, isn't it?
Yeah, which has caused this damage and it shunted the system back. I think he went into the dealership and they quoted him for new manifolds. So apparently damage has been done up on the manifolds and they've twisted, causing the system to shunt back. And believe it or not, he got quoted, well, more than 4 figures. So it's about 10 grand on new manifolds, headers, full system. And obviously when we looked at this the other week for a consultation, you can see clearly the exhaust flexis, see where they're out of shape there? So they've been stretched and there's actually a couple of holes and cracks. I think there's one, yeah, there, see? It's leaking gases, and the same this side. So effectively, whatever has been hit in the middle of the road, impact-wise, stretched the flexis, and that's what's caused the system to jump back. So Josh has quoted up for a new res box, which is here. It's like for like. Good measurement, that, Josh. Yeah, better than my measurements. And then 2 flexis. So we're gonna go from flexi back. Probably gonna flange them in there, and then yeah, we can realign the back section then. Good saving of £9,000.
Pipes are out of shape on this side.
Oh dear. So Josh was just explaining, he's removed the clamps from the centre section and he's discovered that someone, quite obviously, has been in there before. As you can see here, this has been cut away.
Yeah, so what I was hoping that it would all shift forward, it's not, because obviously it's all been modified to suit the damage, which doesn't work for the, you know, how it's supposed to be. Well, these are all pushed back forward now, so that's all in line.
Yeah.
Because they were right to the rear of the car originally.
So the hangers are now sat straight.
They're sat where they should be. But obviously once that's in place, that's nowhere near.
Ah,
nowhere
I
near
see.
at all. And the box is still sitting out the back a little bit. And something's still bent up there.
So essentially, if fine from the headers, you can fabricate the flexis.
Yeah, that's all
Is
fine.
this section going to be alright?
Yes and no. I mean, we could replace it, but it depends. So we're sort of.
So that's in place. That's a mile off, isn't it?
Yeah, this one's not too bad. When you look at the back, about the tip sat in the presets, it's pretty good. That's probably how it's supposed to be. It's all.
To me, that tip there looks well out, even though that's not sat properly. I just feel like that's bent anyway.
Yeah, when it's there, that is. Oh yeah, that's pretty much lines up the secondary pipe.
Yeah, that's nowhere near though.
And that's all pushed forward as well. When you look through here,
oh dear.
you can see the rubber up there.
Yeah.
That's all still, that's as far as it will go, you know, forward, and it's still sticking out.
Well, the main thing is the headers are fine.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
So it's from here back.
Yeah, they would never.
Someone's definitely been here before, haven't they?
That was a nice person. Laughing at us.
So just a quick recap, we've got the parts in stock now. So these are the resonators for the rear. And then new tips, because the old tips are corroded, aren't they?
Yeah, they're just stuck on. No good.
Which are over here. So no good to use, except for twin pipes here.
I think they look better anyway.
They do, they look more slick. Very refreshing. Yeah, they do look better, yeah. Yeah, I think I prefer them, to be fair. So we're going to fabricate the rear section now. And Josh has done the front bit. So it's looking pretty. And the centre section was fine. But yeah, as you can see, where these tailpipes are, one had damage too anyway. I think it was the right hand side. But yeah, there's no good in reusing these. It's more hassle than what it's worth. Sounds lovely. So this is cold start from last night. We didn't aim to achieve any noise on this one, so we're just looking at a stock system. So noise volumes are still relatively low, just what the customer wanted. You give it a quick rev when you're ready.